Hello and welcome back to MamaJo's channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did my noodles with shrimps and vegetable. Please stay tuned. For this delicacy, you'll be needing cabbage, nutmeg, curry, cooked meat, seasoning cube and salt, olive oil, noodles, bell pepper and pepper, spring onions, shrimps, peas, onions, carrots, soy sauce, and garlic. Add some olive oil into the fry pan. After some minutes, add your shrimps and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, take down the shrimps, add some oil, and then fry your already cooked meat for about 3 minutes. After frying your meat, also fry your garlic for about 1 minute. Add some onions to it and fry for 2 more minutes. Now add your carrots and stir very well. Also add the 2 seasoning cubes. Add a little amount of salt and continue frying for about 3 minutes. Add some oil, leave it for a while to get hot, and then start frying your onions. Fry the onions for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of frying your onions, add your spring onions to it and continue frying. Now add the peas to it. Also add curry, nutmeg, and the cabbage to it. Continue frying for 3 more minutes. Add pepper and bell pepper and fry for 2 more minutes. Add the meat stock you have from cooking the meat. Mix it with a little bit of water and let it boil. And also add the soy sauce. Add the noodles and stir. Add the fried carrots, onions, and shrimps. Now leave it to cook for about 3 minutes. Now add the other things you fried earlier. Leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and share this video. Thank you.